Hello, it's Sunday, April 9th, the day before Lex's birthday, and we are in a couple of hours going to put my brand new bees into their beehives. So this is my Warre hive. This platform is actually repurposed from a dance we had on Friday night at the father-daughter dance. This was a Mardi Gras float, and I repurposed it for my bee platform. I love where they are. It's a nice little nook in the woods. And they have dappled sunlight. They're protected from the wind. They have enough room to fly in and out. And that's my Langstroph hive over there. I have water. I'm going to have that ready for them. And my toolkit. And super excited. More on this later. There's I just made a little entrance reducer here.